Welcome from AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Retailer Awards 2022 Customer Experience Award finalists. We were second across 13,500 dealerships and invited, along with just 53 other dealerships, to the Auto Trader Awards this year. You can speak to us in confidence, inquire in confidence, and buy in confidence, knowing that you're dealing with professional people that provide a fantastic product and an outstanding customer experience. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to take a look at the video and inquire on the stunning Nardo Grey RS4 that we have sat in front of us today. This is a 2019 69 plate, having covered just 30,593 miles, full service history and a great specification. For me, the contrast with the Nardo Grey Paintwork and the high gloss black grille, front splitter, wing mirror casings, window trims and privacy glass really do complement the vehicle. And with regards to the specification, you may already have seen there that we do have the electric glass sunroof. It doesn't end there, however. We'd also have the 20-inch Audi Sport alloy wheels. We have the black badging at the back with the recognisable Audi rings and RS4 finished in black. And the specification doesn't end there. So I'll just take you round to the driver's side of the vehicle. Welcome to the cockpit, of which we have the virtual cockpit. So a full digital display that's sat behind the flat bottom RS Sport steering wheel, and you can also sit comfortably in the heated massage seats. On top of all that, you have the standard specification, so the Audi MMI satellite navigation. Couldn't have timed that better myself. Parking aid front and rear, and also the wireless device charging in the centre console. Finished with the half leather, half Alcantara seats, and you've also got the RS embossed into the leather there. Beautiful vehicle, great spec, been very well looked after, and a pleasure to have in stock. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I hope it's been useful, and we look forward to speaking to you again soon.